my loves, welcome back to my channel. Doing another first impressions. Yes, I guess I love doing first impressions, but hey, if I buy something new, I want to review it and show you guys. So we got the new Mega Cushion Foundation by Wet n Wild. Yes, that is right. We're gonna try a cushion foundation. I'm kind of excited because I have yet to try any cushion foundations. These are the only claims this has on the box. It is liquid foundation and a cushion compact, luminous, lightweight, and buildable hydrating formula. Mega Cushion Foundation, SPF 15, and I got in the shade 106A Light Ivory, which is light neutral. Now, I was a little bit nervous with the shades because inside, like the actual, like inside the compact, they look dark from the reviews I've seen. They look really, really dark. So I'm like, I don't know what shade to get. So I just guessed, and I'm praying that this won't be too light because I did get some color. Normally I would need like the lightest foundation, but this looks like it could match. I'm hoping. I mean, normally the box, the box or the packaging doesn't do it justice. So hopefully this does this justice and this works really good. So we will see. But this is new, and I also got two new Wet n Wild liquid catsuit lipsticks as well. I got these two shades right here. We're gonna be trying out as well. I don't know which color I want to do. I might do them both. We will see. So I got the color Pink Really Hard and Berry Recognize. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let's hold those bad boys up. These are the two shades we got. So those are the two shades we got. I really like this light one right here. This one as well, but I really like this light color right here. So maybe we'll mix them. Maybe we'll do the light one in the middle. We can do the light one in the middle. This color on the outside. Who knows what we're gonna do yet? I have no idea. All I know is my eyes are done, so that's what we're working with right now. So we'll see. The lipstick will be at the very end, but like I said, we're gonna do first impressions on this and this as well. So let's just get right into this. We're gonna start to prime. Let me get my cat ears on, guys. Let's get this out of our, the cat ears are on. All right, so we're gonna get into our primer. And I honestly enjoyed this. I used it in my last video, and that was my first time using it ever. So that was the MAC Prep and Prime Radiant Pink. All right. So now we're primed. This is what it looks like outside the box. I don't know if that's like, I don't know. It looks like the Brat style. It's kind of cool. It really does. I mean, it does. It's kind of cool. So, it's cute. Alright, so let's open it up and see what we're dealing with here. Alright, so it comes with one of these. Use this, or some people use their sponge, their Real Technique sponge. Okay, like nothing's coming on this. So, we'll see. Like, there's nothing on there. Oh, okay. I guess there is. I feel like if I do it this way, I'm gonna be here for hours. And it said buildable, it's not too much coverage. All right. So yeah, this is kind of taking a little bit too long. And then it has like the imprint. All right, so that's not gonna go. Let's just wipe all that off. I like to keep my stuff clean. We're gonna go in with our sponge. We're gonna try it. Oh, it did soak. Oh, it soaked up a lot. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. It's not bad. 2.5. Pretty good. It does. It looks good. I like it. I'm surprised. I actually really, really like it. Like, look. And that color is a perfect match. Let's get into our concealer. So I'm gonna use, obviously my favorite, the NYX HD Studio Photogenic. Now we're gonna go in with our cream contour before we blend all this in, so we can blend it at the same time. And now I'm going to use, I'm gonna actually give this another chance, another try. The Wet n Wild dual ended contour stick. I used this a while ago and I didn't like it, but I'm gonna give it another try. All right. We're not gonna use a highlight. We're just gonna use the contour stick. We're not gonna use a highlight, okay? So let's go in and let's see. Maybe I like it. We'll see. It's not a bad color. I don't know why I didn't like it. Yeah. Maybe because it doesn't blend. Maybe it doesn't blend too good. I'm not really sure, but we will see. All right, so now we're gonna take our Real Technique sponge and we're gonna blend all of that in, all right? I'm gonna go in with this beauty. My love, my new love, the Kokie Powder Contour Palette. I love this. This is supposedly a dupe for the Kat Von D Shade and Light. I've never used it, so I don't know. I can't answer that. But this is supposedly the dupe for it, and it looks exactly like it. They're the same colors. I've seen them swatched. They're the same, exactly the same colors. And I love this palette right here. I love it. It's just, I love it. I actually, for my eyeshadow, I'm actually using I'm also using Kokie, the Artist Palette, and Peachy Queen. I love this. This is actually a really good eyeshadow. If you don't already have this, go pick it up. I've been playing with this for the past couple weeks, and I can tell you, you need to get this. Now I can actually update that review. This is awesome. I have it on my eyes right now. This is how I got this look. And if you want to see me do my eyes with this palette, just leave it in the comments below and I will definitely do that video. I will do this look with this palette and do whatever other look you want. Any video you want, just put in the comments below and I got you. We're gonna go into this light color right here for now because I'm obviously light. I'm gonna use this color. We might try this color another day, but we're gonna go into this color. Oh my god, no we're not. I'm insane. I'm going so backwards right now, it's not even funny. Let's set that concealer before it creases. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm going so backwards here. Alright, so we're going to go in with the Airspun, my holy grail, my baby. I love this. We're going to go with the Airspun Loose Finishing Powder in the color Naturally Neutral. I love this bad boy. Alright. Let that bake. I'm gonna finish my eyes off camera and then I will be right back to wipe this bake off and get into finish our contour up. All right, I will be right back. All right, so our eyes are completed. We just put on the mascara on our bottom lashes and our eyeliner on our bottom waterline. So that is complete, and we put the eyeshadow right here on the bottom of our under eyes. So that look is complete, and we're gonna completely wipe off this bake now, and yeah, let's get into that real quick. Let's wipe that off. So I'm gonna take this big fluffy brush by e.l.f. It's the 101, yeah, the 101 beautifully precise brush. These are really pretty. I love these. I gotta actually get more. I have 2 of them, but we're gonna get more. So let's wipe that off. It's baking for a little while now. So we're gonna go in with this color right here. which it doesn't say the colors, obviously. It just says highlight, highlight, contour. So we're gonna go with this latest shade right here. Now we're gonna go in with the Fit Me pressed powder in the color 110 Porcelain, and we're just gonna use this to go all over where we didn't bake. So we're gonna go back in with that fluffy brush, dip it in, tap off excess. Alright, so now we're gonna get into our blush. I'm going in with the NYX Ombre blush. And I'm gonna also, so I'm gonna do this off camera as well because this is supposed to be on the foundation and lipstick. So I'm gonna go off camera, do my blush and my bronzer. So I have the NYX Ombre blush in the color Mauve Me. Very pretty, okay? And I'm gonna go in with the NYX matte bronzer in the color Light. But we're gonna do this off camera and I will be right back. All right, so we just finished our blush and our bronzer. And yes, you guys, I contoured my nose. I snatched it up. But doesn't that look better? Like, honestly, like, look at that nose. No, it's not, but it does. I like it. It looks so much better. I think it looks so much better. Okay, all right, okay. Let me stop. All right, so now, what are we gonna get into? You already know, our highlighter and our lipstick. So I was gonna do my highlighter off camera, but before I get my highlighter, let's set this face. So I just want to get this really set in. So we're gonna go in on MAC Fix Plus. We're gonna set this. All right. I love the smell of this stuff. I'm telling you, like, I'm addicted to the smell of that Magic Plus. Alright, so we're just gonna push that in. What we just sprayed. Now we're gonna get into our highlighter. So it's only right to use our Wet n Wild megaGlo highlighting powder in White Raven. I absolutely love this. I use it in my last couple of videos, and we're gonna use it now. Lipstick. We have these two colors right here. We're gonna go with the light pink. We're gonna try that. All right. We're gonna use the NYX Retractable liner in nude pink. Okay, it's a little patchy, so we're gonna do another coat. I love the color, but I'm already on like 2-3 coats, and it's really patchy still. We'll try one more. I don't want to wear a ton of lipstick. No, this color's a no-go, guys. This is a no. It's really pretty, but look. Man, I really like that color. I was hoping that was a go, but it's not. All right, well, that completes our look, I guess. Yeah. Let's see. Let's take one more look. I'm like really disappointed at this color. I love it. It's like, come on, it's a really pretty pink, and what is it called? Pink really hard. Okay, really hard, but you're patchy. Disappointed. I really am. Wet n Wild, make this again and don't make it patchy. This is amazing, the color. But it's so patchy, I will not use this. Absolutely not. Like, look how pretty the color is. It's gorgeous, but it's so patchy, I won't wear it. I can't. Okay. Alright, so, let's see. The Cushion Foundation, let's go over that. So far, so good. I mean, I hope I don't break out. So, lipstick is up. But, you guys already know the highlighter I love. The foundation, so far so good. I like it. I do. I'm very surprised, but I do. I like it. For a cushion foundation, I actually enjoyed using it. Like, I like dipping it in, and it was good. I liked it. So, yeah. This is what this beautiful looks like. So, don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Click the bell right next to it, so you get more notifications from me and you know when I post new videos, alright? Do not forget to click that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, alright? So thank you for tuning into my channel. I will see you on the next one.